Hello students, welcome to Nazvilla. Here is the introduction video that I have made to clear all your doubts about the subject. So there are two textbooks in your syllabus. First is Hornbill. Hornbill में lessons or poem included हैं. The second textbook is Snapshot. उसमें supplementary reading के lessons included हैं. Then comes the grammar. And at last comes the writing section. This we will write in our grammar notebook. This is the list of the grammar that we will solve this year one by one. सब कुछ अभी नहीं करना है, क्लास में हम सॉल्व करने ही वाले हैं. I have given you this list so that you can have an idea about our grammar that we will be solving. Sooner or later I will also upload all the grammar on the channel. Because of the current situation, I'm not sharing with you the paper format right now. The students who are asking me about the name of my channel, it is Nazvilla. Here only you can subscribe it. मैंने चैनल में एक प्लेलिस्ट बना दी है क्लास 11 की. When you will click it, you will see class 11, class 12. Right now in this playlist there is only one video because मैंने अभी तक एक ही वीडियो पोस्ट किया है. All the explanation that I will do, I will post it here only, and you can see below, you can see all grammar because for 11th and 12th grammar is the same. Now this chapter you will write down in the poem side of your book. This is how you will maintain your book for all your lessons. First you will write down the name of the lesson, then you have to write down the name of the writer, then at the left side you have to write down the name of the characters that were included in the lesson or the poem. All the characters you have to include. You can write down the description of the character also if you want to. Then you have to write down a summary. Summary means you have to write down a paragraph in your own words which explains the lesson, that what you have understood in the lesson. तुम्हें जो भी lesson में समझ में आया तुम उसे इस paragraph में लिख सकते हो. Okay, it is your paragraph, your summary about the lesson. If you want, you can write down 1 page long summary. Okay, don't write too long. After that you can continue writing the question answers. This is how you will maintain all your lessons. And for your question answers, I will share a link of app with you so that you can study your question answers from there. You can take help from there, but you have to write down your own answers. Now I have already explained you this, but I am uploading this again in case if you have forgot, because maintaining your notebook is very important. You will make one English notebook of 200 pages and you will divide the book into 3 parts. The first part will be the lesson. The middle part will be the poem and the third part will be the supplementary reading. कुछ एक ही बुक में लिखना है. अगर तुमने दूसरी बुक बना ली या बनाते भी हो, if you have to make another book, then you have to staple the books together like this कि बुक खो न जाए, because till examination you have to keep this book safe. ये तो इंग्लिश नोटबुक हो गई. अब जब ग्रामर की नोटबुक बनाओगे, at that time you will make 2 parts. The first part is for the grammar. The second part will be for the writing section like essay writing and application writing and all these things. You have to divide this books like this because your portion is divided like this. तुम्हारे एग्जाम का पेपर जो है वो सेक्शन A, B, C, D में divided है, and this is how you have to maintain the book. I hope all your doubts are cleared by now. After this, if you still have any doubt, you can ask. The video I have made is helpful to you and you like the explanation.